What do they say about you? Do you know what's beyond you? Or how it fails without you? When will you let time move backward where it shouldn't go? Surgeon's glove and reach into the nadir, bog me down and bury me a year's impedimenta. Analogies are avalanches, they carry consternation, relay racing bombs, batons, potent permutations. Gifts are dense and potent. These gifts are cold and brutal. Where do you keep the key that opens up your closet door? How do you build your meanings? What does the cold ground feel like? What does a black hole